What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you watching again this week. I got a video for you. It's two trucks this time instead of one. One of the trucks is a 2024 F-450 Platinum with some JTX wheels, floating caps, and a Wicked Customs lift kit this time, 3.5 inch. I do a lot of striker lifts. I haven't done many Wicked lifts, but I think this one's going to be pretty cool. So stay tuned and check it out and let me know what you think. Also, pretty significant, the center cap on it is my favorite part because JTX Forged is a company that's known for their Texas logo in their center cap, right? Everybody likes it. Everybody knows about it. I've never seen another state besides Texas in their design at all. But today, we're putting Georgia behind it because Southern Tire, we're in Georgia. So let me know how that looks. And obviously, if you guys want to say it, shoot me a call. I can get more. The other truck in the video is what I call a budget build. And I don't mean budget build as in we're doing cheap parts that aren't going to be good on the truck and stuff like that. What I mean is we're not doing a McGoy's lift, which is, you know, $3,500 plus for the lift kit. We're doing a rough country. I think rough country is a great lift kit. I've said that many times in videos before. They're not the fanciest lift kit, but you know, that's how it kind of works. So the next thing is the Hardcore wheels, 24x12. They're chrome. They have a nice deep lip on them. Very, very cost effective though, and it doesn't break your pocket like a forged wheel would from KG1 or JTX or somebody like that. And we did a 35-inch Gladiator. I've said this many times. I think the Gladiator is the best looking mud tire that we sell. It doesn't ride as good as the Fury, so I sell the Fury more. That's the reason why. But let me know how the trucks are looking in the video, and if you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Call me at Southern Tire. It's 678-994-9180. You can reach out to me on Instagram at JTADig or at Southern Tire. Any questions you have, call me, text me, email me, whatever. Let's do some business. Appreciate you watching the video, and let me know what you think. This may be the very first set of JTX Forged wheels with the Georgia state in the background. JTX is obviously a Texas company because all their branding is around the Texas logo, but this is the 26-inch JTX Forged Omen. This is a machine face with a clear tint. It's a little, or a tinted clear coat over the top. Really, really sharp. Got this one done. This is going to be one of two trucks that we got done today for lift kits. This one's a 2024 Ford F-450 Platinum. We did the 3.5-inch Wicked lift kit with the Fox reservoir shocks on it. We got it powder coated black. That thing looks amazing. On top of that, we did the 26-inch JTX Omen. This is a machined wheel with a dark tinted clear coat over it with black accents. and a floating cap. Now what's really special about this particular cap is this should be the only set of JTX wheels with the Georgia outline in the back of the logo in existence. JTX is a company that's from Texas. Southern Tire is a company that's from Georgia. We wanted to mix the two, and this is what we got. Looks absolutely awesome. I love it. Fury tires as usual, 38s. Did a little bit of trimming here, a little bit of trimming right here, but other than that, the truck completely clears. This thing is beautiful. If you guys have any questions or you're interested in pricing anything like this from me, just shoot me a call. The number is 678-994-9180. Just ask for Jake. I'm up here every day. And again, I appreciate everybody watching. The views really count, so thank you for that. We got this beautiful GMC Sierra 1500 finished up today. This was a very quick in and out thing. This is a local guy that lives around here. This build I know is somewhere between $6,000 and $7,000, and to be honest with you, it looks really good for that price compared to some of the other things we've done. This is the 7-inch rough country lift, 24x12 hardcore wheels. This is a new one that they came out with this year. Has a name. I should have known that, but my bad. Looks really good though. Big deep lip on it, chrome. Kind of gives that it almost looks like a forged wheel look to it. With the Gladiator X Comps, it's a 35, 12, 50, 24. It's one of the most aggressive tires that we sell. It's not the best riding tire, but it's not the worst either. So I mean, it has a really nice look to it. Said he's just driving this truck around, you know, on the weekends, probably going to be working out of a different vehicle, so it's not as daily. Needs a quick car wash and it'll be ready to go. This thing's nice. Let me know what you think in the comments.